Got to get this behind the scene action shots. No. Can I feed you? Well, we've been driving around for a bit, and Gavin's been test driving this BRZ. It's a turboed Rocket Bunny BRZ, and the owner of the car actually said that he wants to race my 350. So we're gonna see how this goes in a little bit. So what'd you think of the car?
It's fucking sweet.
Really?
It's like really, really nice.
I know it's got nicer seats than anything I've ever sat in.
Yeah.
But
no kidding. That's what I said too. Whenever we were going around those curves, I was like,
it was hugging you.
Flying, and it was like grabbing me, like it was caressing me. I was like, oh.
So is it actually fast?
Yeah, it's actually fast.
Oh, get that ass up there.
Go ahead.
Yeah, no, it's all that. Should I let these cars go by?
Yeah, I definitely let these cars go by.
Alright.
Is that your engine running hot, or is that just your brakes? No,
that's my brakes. My brakes are fucking hot right now.
I feel them. You can feel them through the... Oh, you got the heater on them.
Yeah. Because it's cold outside. Alright.
You ready?
I know. I let him get the jump too.